Onyenkem. You know, there are different fluids in your car that your car needs to run at optimal efficiency. That is to say, to run siriri wadada. Besides the fuel that you buy every day, there are other fluids in your car that you need to be checking regularly to avoid disappointment, embarrassment, and of course, expensive repairs. You need to check these fluids regularly. 1. Engine oil. Now, the job of the engine oil is to make sure that certain parts of your engine that is working stays lubricated to avoid too much friction. And of course, when this oil is lacking, it can cause expensive engine damage, or it can lead you to replace your engine as a whole.
Try yourself and see. You want to experiment with a fire.
2. Transmission fluid. Now, the job of the transmission fluid is to lubricate important parts of your gearbox. Now, when this fluid is lacking, your gear will not be answering you the way you want it to answer it. And it can lead to gearbox damage. And possibly, it might lead you to buy a new gearbox. And trust me, gearbox is not cheap.
My God never flop. My God doesn't wear flip-flop, so he cannot flop.
3. Power steering fluid. Now, your ATF is a good power steering fluid. Now, the job of this fluid is to make sure that your steering wheel moves freely, gingerly. When you turn, it answers you sharply now while you understand. Now, when this fluid is lacking, your steering wheel will turn towards Odemba, meaning that you have to wrestle it like John Cena to gain control of your steering wheel. 4. Brake fluid. Now, the job of the brake fluid is to connect the brake pedal to the brake itself. Now, when this fluid is lacking, it will result in brake failure. And one day, you don't need your brake to fail when you are driving. 5. A coolant.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now.
You see, the job of the coolant is to help keep your engine cool. If you like, be arguing that water is okay for your car, keep arguing. Let me tell you, coolant is better than water.
And now your head correct.
A word they say is enough for the wise. Except you want to say, this bill is too much. Una won't kill me.
God, I beg. I don't want to be a mechanic. I want to be a baller.